In this video, how to make custom LEGO minifigures using minifigure parts. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Bread Advice, building your LEGO knowledge. If you want LEGO tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new LEGO tips from the Bread Advice YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make custom LEGO minifigures using minifigure parts. So you can use minifigure parts to make LEGO custom minifigures. Now I am going to show you an example of how you can do that. So here I have some minifigure parts. Let's say I want to build the Red Ranger from Power Rangers. So I'm gonna grab some pieces. I'm gonna grab this Kai torso with these and combine it with these red legs. I'm gonna take a yellow minifigure head, or I could do any head really, and then I'm gonna take this Iron Man helmet and put it over the minifigure, and boom! I have the Red Ranger from Power Rangers. You can use your minifigure parts that you have collected over time, and you can use them to make custom LEGO minifigures. This is a good method if you do not want to use paint to make LEGO custom minifigures, or use sharpies to make custom LEGO minifigures. And this is the simplest way you can make LEGO custom minifigures without having to use paint or sharpies. If you want LEGO tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new LEGO tips from the Bread Advice YouTube channel. And I'll see you next time.